It's March the 4th, 2022, and we're doing a update on the road construction at Rifle Range Road and Redland Road, as well as the bridge construction on Redland Road. It looks like they're getting ready to divert the traffic onto the new bridge spans that they had just built so that they can tear down the old bridge and build a new one. Coming right along. Anyway, it's going to be 4-lane all the way from Rifle Range Road to 231, kind of ease the traffic, especially in the early morning and late afternoon. I think they're going to divert one lane coming down the hill with a curb so that traffic can merge off of Rifle Range onto Redland Road. Now we're up at the roundabout at Fire Tower Road and Redland Road. And I'm not quite sure what that is going to be there in the center. Probably some type of retail facility. I don't think it's part of the roundabout. There we are looking east towards the Redland Market and the other water tower. That's Redland Road in the center, Dozier Road to the right and Fire Tower to the left. Looks like it's going to be quite a long, drawn-out affair to facilitate the roundabout, because it really doesn't look like a roundabout yet. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.